Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about a very important computation in LR parser called LR0 items. Welcome again, and we are discussing the first topic of bottom-up parser as canonical LR0 collection. So to understand the two parser that is LR0, the first two parser LR0 and the second one is your SLR, simple LR, or sometimes called as SLR1, we need to create this collection. And to start creating this collection, the first topic we'll learn here is LR0 item. Okay, so definition wise, an LR0 item of a grammar G is a production of G with a dot at the some position on the right side. Okay, so we have to put a dot at some position on the right hand side. So I don't think definition wise it is any complication, but to understand the meaning of it, this is the grammar simple production rule I have taken over here. And it says that A derive small a, B and then B. And if I ask you that where I can put a simple dot, okay, which position I can put the simple dot, so we will say that A derive dot A B B, A derive A dot B B, then we will say A derive A B dot B, and then we will say A derive A B B dot. So there are four different positions I can put a simple dot. Now among these are basically called as your LR0 items. Okay, these are basically your LR0 items. Okay, now among this, the one of the important part is if the dot is not at the end. Okay, so this three types. These are my shift items. Okay, shift items. And when the dot reaches at the end, which is only the one condition, this is your reduce item. Okay, this is your reduce item. So we have a two kind of LR0 items. One is the shift where dot is not at the end, precisely not at the end. And we have a reduce item where dot is at the end. Now question is that what is the utility or what is the significance of it? So right now in a very basic level I can say one thing, that here A will derive a string, and when it will scan the first symbol it will read this small a. This LR0 item says that it has already seen B, and whatever the next input that it will scan will come from capital B. This LR0 item says that now the next symbol that is scanned here in this case will be B. Now this last one says that it has seen all A, capital B and B part, and now it is ready for the reduction. Okay, so these are the different meaning associated with it, but still I'll say that it's not very clear. I'll understand that it's not very clear to you, but later in the course you will find that these are very simple thing, that how much scanning we have done and what to scan next. Okay, so the amount of the scanning has been done and what to scan next. Okay, so it is only signify LR0 items signify the amount of scanning done and ready for more scan or reduction. Okay, so if the dot is not at the end, then more symbol needed to be scanned, otherwise it is ready for the reduction. Okay. So now this is LR0 item, and next section we'll see how we generate this LR0 item. Okay, so that's all. Thanks.